Understanding the structure of a cell can be real difficult. Let me break it down in a rap, cause I'm not typical. Listen, fool, this ain't a presentation, this is new to you. First up, we got phospholipid bilayer. Let's dive right through. Outside of the blanket loves the water like a super soaker. Hydrophilic boiler layer, important, ain't no mediocre. Hydrophobic inner layer, non-polar, it's not a floater. Proteins letting some molecules through like immigrants at the border. Carbs keep out the molecules without the proper ID tags. Run it back, junction proteins there so that cells can attach. Cholesterol, keeping the shape and fluidity and all. Always moving slow like an infant, learning how to crawl. Cholesterol, someone call it the gatekeeper of the cell. Gandalf with that strap, keep out big molecules, we reppin' fat.
Osmosis needs nobody, even energy. Meaning water flows through the membrane real easy. Man is mellow, passive. There's no by blood, he's not aggressive. There's one substance that's hypertonic, meaning how it has a lot of the solute, while the other is hypotonic, meaning in terms of solute it's minute. Water potentially decides where the H2O goes. The part with less is in the way it flows. It works reaching an equilibrium. That means water flows through each of them, trying to flow at an equal rate. Meaning solute concentration is equal throughout, mate. The membrane is a bodyguard. It doesn't allow everyone to party hard.
Hey, now we about to talk about a simple diffusion. Yeah, let me break it down so it don't seem confusing. You see that things that non-polar go through cell membrane easily. Also, if they small, then it'll happen frequently. This type of function, it don't require energy, so you gotta make sure to commit this to your memory. Yeah, I'ma make sure to not have exclusion, so I gotta bring up facilitated diffusion. This type of diffusion, it needs to transport proteins like a pool does when it needs some chlorine. Yeah, I just explain these briefly and short. These two are what you call some passive transport. Yeah, molecules go from high to low. Yeah, you already know. No active transfer moves against that normal flow. This is done by ATP, used for some energy. I'ma talk about osmosis and a semi-pro dispensary. Osmosis lets the water through. Diffusion lets in molecules too. Hope you learned something new. I gotta rep the 502.